This is from the providers Ensenior, an 8-pack of white color. Check online for further details about the makes and models, the colors they come in. These are patio lights for landscape around your property. We're going to unbox it, show you what you get inside. With 6,500 Kelvin, 6 to 8 hours to charge, and about 8 to 12 hours of runtime. You get the poles and stakes, the cap covers protected, and the main light bases. Going over the product, we have stakes. Simply take out the stake and the pole, connect. You have 8 of them to connect. On each of the base, you have tabs to remove. Do not discard. That releases the light that turns on. The tabs can be put back in for next time of storage. We have a large window solar array panel. We simply remove the tabs, place on the cover by aligning and locking into place by turning, and then taking the stake and cover into the unit and stake into the ground. When the sun hits the panel, the charge is 6 to 8 hours and it runs 8 to 12 hours of runtime. The light shows a nice soft white design on the floor, and will show you outdoors in a low-level situation the light design. Pointing onto the wall, you can see the design as it shows. So let's complete the rest by pulling out and setting up. But before we finish all of these, we're going to open one up, show you how easy it is to replace the batteries. With an optional screwdriver, remove each of the screws. Place to the side. Tap and remove and replace the AAA battery. We're placing in our lights in our barrel. We're placing into our planter. In the back in our garden, we're going to be placing the lights around our brickwork. And we'll place 1 or 2 over here. We'll come back in the evening hours to show you what they all look like after a couple of days of charging. It's the low evening hours and we have the lights lit up. And we have here one light, as you can see. It gives off a design, and we'll show you that in the backyard. And they're in the planters, the 2 lights and the 2 over here. The lights come on at dusk to dawn. We'll grab a light. 1 light's here and the 2 lights back here. As you can see, the design it gives when placing into the ground. And show you the light lit up close by in a low light. If you're looking for path lights to dress up your landscape, place along a walkway, in the garden, patio, wherever you want light lit up. With the 6,500 Kelvin, a white light for your lighting needs. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after in solar light needs. Thank you for viewing.